Hey, Mom. Yes, I promise I want to be a news anchor. It's always been my dream. You know that. Oh, I gotta go. I love you. I'll call you soon.
Good morning, Pirates. Welcome to yesterday's news. We're the only news station that operates on a delay. Not a tape delay, just a general lack of motivation. Our top story: with the semester change, government classes are now in full swing, and so are the tangents. Yesterday, government teacher Mr. Spencer attempted to explain one simple classroom rule. However, sources confirm that in doing so, he accidentally explained 5 federal laws, 2 constitutional amendments, and posed a philosophical question that doesn't have a simple answer. Students report that raising their hand in Mr. Spencer's class is now considered an extreme sport. You might get an answer, or you might get a 40-minute lecture on the Federalist Papers. In good news, the homework is still pending, mostly because Mr. Spencer got distracted explaining how the government would work in a perfect world and forgot to excite it. Moving on, yesterday morning the students' parking lot was officially declared a lawless zone. Drivers were seen parking across 3 spots, on the grass, and in one case parallel parking on a snowbank. We reached out to the student drivers for comment, but they couldn't hear us over their bass-boosted speakers rattling their own windows. If you made it into the building without a scratch on your car, congratulations, you are the chosen one. We now turn to the ongoing investigation into the disappearance of Pete the Pirate. It has been days since our beloved mascot was last seen. We go live to our field reporter, Jack, who claims to have a major development. Jack?
I'm here at his secret location. Yesterday, this note was slid under the newsroom door.
A ransom note?
It appears so. It says, "We have the pirate. If you want him, we want the Wi-Fi to work." And then there's Brad Pitt.
My goodness, the demands are impossible.
They also want the vending machine to stop stealing quarters.
We may never see Pete again. Thank you, Jack. With Pete missing and ransom demands coming in, we've brought in our only reliable source. Miss Crystal, thank you for joining us. Today.
I'm not entirely sure why I'm here, but I heard something about maybe Pete the Pirate.
That is right. Rumors are swirling around that you might know something about his disappearance. Students say that you were seen next to the mascot closet holding a giant net.
That's ridiculous. I don't even own a net, but I might know a guy that does.
Interesting. There was a ransom demand. Asked for better Wi-Fi. Sounds like something an insider might want. Is this an inside job?
I don't know what this Wi-Fi is. Is he on varsity? I don't have a roster with this Wi-Fi on it, but I might know a guy who does.
Cut the act, Miss Crystal. Did you trade the pirate to a different school for a brand new digital scoreboard?
This interview is over. That is ridiculous. I've got to get a breath of fresh air.
Suspicious. Very suspicious. Let's cool things down with a look at yesterday's weather.
As you can see, yesterday was absolute paradise. The sun was shining and the birds were singing.
It was raining sideways yesterday.
Perfect weather for a beach day. I hope everyone brought sunscreen to their 3rd period.
Are you even at school?
It's tropical. Back to you.
Before we go, a safety warning. The auditorium seats will snap shut without warning, so rise slowly and with dignity. And the stage microphone only works for people who don't need it. Also, the clock in the hallway is 5 minutes fast, or maybe 5 years slow. We aren't sure. Just guess what time it is. That's all for yesterday's news. We'll keep you updated on the search for Pete just as soon as the Wi-Fi lets us upload the video. I'm Skylar. Have a great day.